Happy birthday, Kyler!
Are we there yet? You feel like a beggar, but you're royalty.
Nung dumating po si Kyler sa buhay namin, parang naging mas maingay po, saka mas masaya yung bahay kasi may bata po kaming kasama.
You know I can't stop, baby, I've been paralyzed.
Happy birthday, Kyler!
Happy birthday, Kyler!
I feel like I could live forever. I feel like I could live forever. Met you in the
Gusto namin na malaman mo, Kyler, in the future, kapag na-remember mo na to, na mahal ka namin. And we will support you in everything that you want.
Happy birthday. From Mendoza family.
the pages of your history. Now you're the only book I ever want to read. Still, I hope there's some room in the story for me. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? You know I can't slow down. Baby, I've been paralyzed by fear. But when
Ayun, happy first birthday, Kyler. Wish ko sa'yo sana pag lumaki kang mabait, masunurin sa mga magulang mo, and compassionate din, and may takot sa Diyos.
I feel like I could live forever. I feel like I could live forever.
Sana maalala mo na napagsama-sama mo kami, mga pamilya mo, mga ninong mo.
Maging bibo ka gaya ng ninong Nelu mo. Ayun. I love you, Kyler. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
It took some time, but now it's starting to flow. Baby, I've been paralyzed by fear.
Happy birthday, Kyler. Ang gusto lang ni Nainay sa'yo, lumaki kang mabuting bata, masunurin. Wala nang mahilig si Nainay. Basta lumaki ka lang ng okay.
Give me every inch of your soul. I feel like I could live forever. Feel like we could live forever.
Birthday, Kyler! We love you! God bless!
Happy first birthday, Kyler! Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Kyler! God bless!
From the moment you were born, I am so happy to be your Tita Ninang. And always remember that we will always be here for you. We love you so much, Kyler. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kyler!
Happy birthday, Kyler! Hi!
Hi, Kyler! Happy birthday! Hoy, makinig ka. Lumaki kang mabait. Tapos sundin mo lagi yung sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Andito lang kami para gabayan ka, susuportahan ka sa mga gusto mong gawin. Papangako ko din, nalalaki ka na buo ang family mo. Hindi ko kayo pababayaan ni Mami.
Ang wish ko lang kay Kyler, sana lumaki siya na maayos, na may takot sa Diyos. Lagi niyang tatandaan na blessing siya sa aming family, sa amin ng daddy niya.